Are you ready to crack SRMJEE 2025 exam and grab your seat at one of India's top engineering universities? Then don't miss a single moment of this video, because every 10 seconds will give you a valuable tip to boost your preparation. SRMJEE, or SRM Joint Engineering Entrance Examination, is your gateway to SRM University, known for academic excellence, international exposure, and top-tier career opportunities. The exam is held in 3 phases: Phase 1 from April 22 to 27, Phase 2 from June 12 to 17 and Phase 3 from July 4 to 5. Be sure to apply before the deadlines, April 16, June 6, and June 30, depending on your preferred phase. Now let's dive into your winning strategy. First, understand the exam pattern. You'll face multiple choice questions from physics, chemistry, mathematics, English and aptitude. Speed and accuracy matter, so practice accordingly. The next step is mastering the syllabus. Focus on class 11th and 12th topics from CBSE or state boards. Key physics topics include mechanics, thermodynamics, and optics. In chemistry, pay extra attention to organic and inorganic sections. In mathematics, don't skip algebra, calculus, and trigonometry. English and aptitude will test basic grammar, comprehension, and reasoning, so practice those too. Have you solved previous year question papers yet? This will improve your preparation. If you don't know where to find these papers, then visit our website notopedia.com, which is a non-profit educational platform where free study material is available for the preparation of SRMJEE and other entrance exams. Visit the website for preparation. Click on Entrance Exam, then scroll down a little and select your exam. Scroll down a little more and you will find the material for SRMJEE exam. As soon as you click on Exam, click on the Online Test section where you can give the online test, that too absolutely free. After that, click on Sample Papers to see sample papers. You can see notes for different topics in the Notes section, and you can also watch video lectures for preparation which have been collected after a lot of research. And in the last you will also find previous year papers for SRMJEE exam preparation. To avail all these free study materials, definitely visit notopedia.com. The link to the website is in the description. Now, make a smart study schedule. Set daily and weekly goals to cover your syllabus and allocate extra time to tough subjects. Add regular revision time at the end of each week. Then comes the power tip: practice previous year question papers. Time yourself, simulate exam conditions, and work on accuracy. Next, take full-length mock tests regularly. They not only test your knowledge but also help improve time management and build confidence. Review your mistakes and focus on weak areas before the real exam. But here's something students often ignore: your health. Keep your energy levels up by sleeping well, eating right, and taking short breaks between study sessions. A healthy mind always learns faster. Finally, stay motivated and believe in yourself. SRMJEE is not just an exam, it's a launchpad to an exciting engineering career at SRM University, with international learning opportunities and cutting-edge research. So, are you ready to give it your best shot? Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to success. Like, share, and subscribe for more smart strategies, because your dream seat at SRM is just one well-planned study session away.